Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Rifky Fauzan. You can call me Rifky. I'm a student in the Institute Transportasi and Logistics Trisakti. My major is air transport management. And now I just want to talk about how the airlines industry can survive during pandemic COVID-19. As I look for the situation and my opinion too. I want to finish my testing in mid-semester of English for specific purpose with my lecturer is Mr. Iqbal Firdaus. Here we go. I will describe how airline industry survived during pandemic COVID-19. Aviation is a large global industry which has a major impact on the country economy as well as the world. The aviation industry has millions of workers as well as several business sectors such as human transportation to move, as well as a large amount of the air cargo business in the logistics sector to meet human needs. For the specifically big growing in the business and tourism sector. According to my observation, at certain period of time, the business sector in the world of aviation has a large decreasing impact. You can see, like in Indonesia, the government is also very helpful in this matter, as has been done by Angkasa Pura, and it's good. For example, Halim Perdana Kusuma Airport, which applies a rental fee discount between 40 until 50%. The convenience will be provided in the and different quantities for each airline, like size and aircraft type. Communication between airport operator, airline, and airport tenant will be of key importance. VAT cuts on after currently effect in Indonesia, whose percentage is also quite significant between 10%. As for some countries, they have a policy that to like Thailand, France, China, and other. Asian has decreased in the aviation industry, especially in the passenger business. We can see a bright spot in this aviation industry. Airlines are also focusing on maximizing the utility of their resources on the logistics side, namely air cargo. Airlines have great business opportunities in the sector. Instead of passenger, the management of goods is more desirable and reliable because the needs also continue to exist with companies and people. This logistics sector cannot fade advantage. It's still expressing a decrease. For making operational optimism effort in order to align supply with market demand to several initiatives. It's getting here. The more it's increasing and the condition of the increasing logistic demand is getting better, so that airlines can also see the type of business they are focused on in order to maintain this company and the airline industry in the COVID-19 situation. It's not as difficult and contrary to existing government regulation to suppress COVID-19 in the air cargo sector. However, at the present time, The passenger sector has also begun to increase the airline to accelerate recovery, striving to be able to encourage public trust and interest to be able to return to using air transportation through consistent application of aviation health protocol. Uh, Pre-medical check for cabin crew, use or your use of PPE or personal protective equipment, aircraft disinfectant and other. Assist done by Airline in Indonesia collaboration with the government to collaborate on program and initiative that can encourage tourism, especially domestic tourism, aiming to improve the aviation industry. All efforts are made to survive industry of aviation on this pandemic COVID-19. I hope this can help your knowledge about this case. How about you guys? Thanks for watching and attention. See you. Thank you.